I design a metal melting furnace using 8 fire bricks. I kept in mind thickness should be the maximum for better heat insulation. My machine height smaller than the fire brick. I modify my machine and created special table to hold the fire brick ready for CNC machining. Vibrations leads to loose the machine screws. I decide to go for water cooling to avoid the dangerous dust. I adjusted settings as per my machine limitation. Each fire block will take more the expected time to be machined, and I decide to hold this project. Advised by comment to let me continue this project. Thanks for watching.